cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe ideas. Anyway, just simply giving you the tips and ideas of things that you can do at home. Basically, we're just simply showing you that apple cider vinegar and red grape, cinnamon, ginger goes really well. Why you don't give it a try at home? You can try it for 7 days straight and you will see some result, guys. It's just beautiful and nice. Anyway, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you so much to tune into my show. My name is Chef Ricardo, represent Jamaica Kitchen. One love. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm always preaching and telling my fans them, oh, you can detox your body, look after yourself, and also make yourself healthy. Anyway, I'm just gonna give you a quick idea and a quick update on what's going on in the kitchen one more time again. Right here I have some apple cider vinegar. As you can see, you have to give it a shake. I just have a little bit left back in my buckler right here because I've been using it over the last couple of days. With the apple cider vinegar, it's good for your skin, it clears your skin and also help you to lose weight, good for your belly fat, good for hips, lots of different stuff, guys. But today I just want to make you a lovely drink from it and dig up quite a few recipes about apple cider vinegar. The only reason why I like to preach it because they're telling my fans them that, listen guys, we are eating all different kind of food and we doesn't know what we are eating. So true, we doesn't know what we are eating. We need to detox our body. We need to look after ourselves and make sure we are in check at all time. So we're going to do the first thing which I'm going to do. Alright guys, I just want to make it straight and plain to you that you can also use some. Right here I have some red grape juice right here. That's what we're going to be using today inside of it. And I want to tell you something, guys, it's just amazing, you know what I mean? Sometimes some people doesn't want to drink the apple cider vinegar just as on its own. So what we want to do, we're just gonna simple put some of this inside of our glass. Alright, almost a glass full of it. I just want to simply say to you, with this one right here, guys, to be honest, it doesn't got no chemical, nothing inside of it. It's just the pure natural organic red grape juice. You can get that one in the shop to buy. All right, so please, when you're gonna buy your red grape juice, make sure you buy that one. Then get your apple cider vinegar, and all you're going to do, 1, 2, put 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar inside of it, and also put a little pinch of ginger inside of it, and a pinch of cinnamon. This is some cinnamon right here. I'm using some grounded cinnamon and grounded ginger. Nice one. Give it a stir. So right here, if you want to have some lime, you can squeeze a little bit of lime juice in it, but that's for option. You don't need to. What I want to simply say to you, this is just a natural drink, and the beauty is that all of these ingredients, cinnamon and also ginger and apple cider vinegar, and also we got some lovely red grape juice right here, which we have been using. All of these ingredients is just healthy and good for you. So what I want to simply say to you, that the only reason why I use red grape juice is because of a lot of people doesn't want to drink it with some water. They can drink it with plain water. When you're buying the apple cider vinegar, make sure you look for the one we have this yellow writing and the one that said Mother's original one. I'll just give it a shake like this before you start to use it. So anyway guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. for watching my show. And you can drink this first thing in the morning before breakfast, or in the evening before lunchtime, or in the evening before bedtime, or if you want to drink it at lunchtime, you can drink it 3 times a day. You can make a big box of it just like this and bring it to work. Keep shaking it and drink it at work straight through the day. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you, and tips, and this can help you lose weight and balance your diet. Good for you, and also help you because it got a lot of benefit inside the apple cider vinegar. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and recipe for you. Thank you so much for watching my show. Bye bye.